today I'll be making the vegetarian version of Kolkata street food known as Mughlai Parotha. Take a look at the recipe. The first step is preparation of dough. So here I am taking 1 big cup whole wheat flour. In this I'll be adding some salt to taste and 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Very less oil we need because we are going to make rotis, and we need thick rotis and big rotis in this. Now in this, instead of water, I am going to add this whey which I got after making paneer. So I am using this. So after preparing this dough, this is the softness of the dough. We'll be adding another 1 teaspoon of oil in this and mix it again. I have used whey in this. Whey is a good amount of protein which we get after we make paneer from the milk. And let this dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And now this is the size of the roti we want, thick and big. This is the size of the dough I used to make this thick and big roti. Now what I am going to do is I am going to half fry this roti on both the sides. And like this, I'll be preparing all the rotis and keep it aside in the casserole, and we'll use it later on. Mughlai Parotha has the layer of potato stuffing on one side, and on the inner side we keep paneer stuffing. So here I have taken 2 potatoes boiled and grated. In this we'll be adding chana flour, then we'll be adding red chili powder. Now in this we'll be adding garam masala and some salt to taste. Now I'm going to mix this. And our potato layer stuffing is ready. Now we'll be going for the next stuffing. Now for making paneer stuffing, here this is the homemade paneer which I'm going to grate this. 500 ml of milk I have used to make this paneer. If you are getting paneer from outside, then you need at least 100 grams of paneer for serving 2 people. In this I am adding 1 tomato finely chopped, and the pulp of the tomato has been removed. This is just the inner part. Here 1 medium size onion finely chopped and 1 small size capsicum finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, handful of coriander leaves, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. And now mix this all well. We are going to use the stuffing in our prepared rotis. I am going to take this half cooked rotis which we have made. I am adding small amount of oil and let it cook completely on one side. This has to be cooked on a low flame. So now on one side this is done. Adding this potato stuffing on this side and spread this evenly with the hand. The chana flour we have added in this will be acting as a binding, and it's already roasted. Now after spreading this evenly, turn this on the other side. You can see how thick or how nice the color has changed to golden brown. Add some oil in this. Let it cook on the other side. Now at this stage I'll be adding the stuffing, paneer stuffing, but on the half side. And now this is cooked, so half fold this like this. You can see how nice the texture and the color of the potato stuffing has also changed. Now it's time to plate. And our paratha is ready, quick and easy to serve. I would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.